Good afternoon viewers, welcome back again to this channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how to replace a worn out wiper blades on this Honda CRV. Stay tuned. And I'm going to hold one moment guys, and please do support me on my channel just by subscribing. Click this subscribe button as well as hit this like button to all the videos that I made here to show your support. Thank you again guys. And for the spare parts that you need to change these wiper blades are the following. This is for the longer side and this is for the shorter side. And to remove the wiper, just have to press on this tab, press and push down, and just slide this until we have disconnected the actual wiper out of the car, just like so. And to protect the windshield, for the moment I'm placing just a cloth on these wiper arms just to make sure I do not scratch the windshield itself. Okay, so to remove the old wiper blade out of its housing, just a note, as you guys can see, this mark, the arrow is pointing on that direction, so we have to pull the rubber out that way. Just like that. Okay, now to reinstall this wiper blade into its housing, there is some shim that we have to insert first onto the actual wiper refill. See this notch? And this side doesn't have a notch. If you can see right here, inside its rubber, see that mark? And this one does have the marking as well, but if you flip on the other side, see that there's one, and on the bottom it doesn't have, so therefore we have to fit this shim, this one with the notch, right that on top, and just slide it through the groove like so. And we can take the other one, slide it over as well, just like so. To lock it in its place, see this groove, that rubber groove against that notch, just press it, bam, voila, one side done. And you can go ahead and do the other side. Now that they are both are complete, we can refit them onto the vehicle. And complete. Thank you again guys for watching. I will see you again on the next episode. Peace.